we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say it? Well, there are two different pronunciations for it, depending on the function of the word or the meaning, how you use it. So this word is most generally used as an adjective when you are describing something as an argument. For example, that is invalid. Invalid. When you're using this as an adjective, you want to stress on that second va syllable as an invalid argument. If you're using it as a noun, describe, well, when someone is invalid, this is how you would say it. Invalid as a noun, and invalid, that's how you would say it. But if you're using as an adjective, invalid, the most common way of using it would be as an adjective, therefore invalid. But just bear in mind that if you're using it as a noun, it is said as invalid. And now you know it all. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.